subscribe to Android Discovery Channel. And press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. REM held a launch event in Indonesia today to announce the REM C21 and REM C25. While the C25 is an entirely new smartphone, the C21 had previously launched in February in Malaysia. Compared to other C-series REM phones that have launched so far this year, the C25 offers the strongest specs as it is equipped with a gaming-focused mid-range chip, a massive battery with fast charging support, and a 48-megapixel triple camera system. The REM C25 has a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display with a water drop notch display. The screen delivers a 20:9 aspect ratio and 720 by 1600 pixels HD+ resolution for snapping selfies. The handset offers users an 8-megapixel front-facing camera. The square-shaped camera island placed on the polycarbonate rear of the REM C25 features a 48-megapixel primary camera, a 2-megapixel depth sensor, and a 2-megapixel macro shooter. For security, the back panel also has a rear-facing fingerprint scanner. The REM C25 has a massive 6000 mAh battery that supports 18 watts fast charging. The Helio G70 chipset is present under the hood of the device with 4 GB of RAM. The device comes preloaded with REM UI 2.0 based Android 11 OS, and it comes with 64 GB, 128 GB of storage. For additional storage, it has a dedicated micro SD card slot. On the other side, the REM C21 has a 6.5-inch IPS LCD HD+ screen with a teardrop notch. It has a 5-megapixel front camera and a 13-megapixel plus 2-megapixel dual camera system. The Helio G35 chipset powers the phone with 3 GB of RAM. It has 32 GB, 64 GB of native storage and a micro SD card slot. It boots to REM UI-based Android 1 OS. Lastly, it features a 5000 mAh battery with 10 watts charging support. The REM C25 starts at 2,099,000 Indonesian rupiahs, $146, and its color variants are grey and blue. Its first flash will be carried out on March 27th, and it will be available for purchase through regular sales from April 2nd. Priced at 1,549,000 Indonesian rupiahs, $107, the REM C21 can be bought in black and blue colors. Its first flash sale will be held on March 24th in Indonesia. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.